This video demonstrates generating a program for a step automation control, as well as doing advanced automatic tool selection. We start with a C profile with an overhanging flange. Next, we will perform automatic tool selection using the Multi-Tools option, which will search for a bend sequence combining different tools, as necessary, to achieve a valid solution. The result is a setup with two tool stations, a gooseneck for the overhanging flange, and a straight punch for the final hit, where the flanges approach each other. These gauging positions are not optimal, so we will use the Get Next Position function to find a better one for this hit. And for this hit, rotate the part, the straight punch allowing it without any issues. If we examine the last hit, we can see why the straight punch was required for this solution. Lastly, we will generate an NC program to send to the machine's control. To demonstrate loading the program on the machine, we will import it into the IDEA PC application. Once the program is imported, we can see the tool setup, including the division of segments. And the numeric data driving the machine's movement.